What's up, family? I'm gonna get a late breakfast in. It's late to me because I've been up for a while. It's 8:59 though. About to cook some potatoes, turkey bacon. Got some croissants. I'm about to go ahead and throw some fruit inside of those, some blueberries, some scrambled eggs, and probably make a quick protein drink. Get all that and probably get another workout in by like 11 or 12 real quick. And I'll go ahead and put that up as well. But I'll be right back with y'all. What's up, Ryan? Scratch that. My daughter, she got some mosquito bites yesterday. She was scratching that. Some of these potatoes. Got my seasoning. We'll put in the oven. Already got the oven heating up at 350 degrees. I'm pretty much cooking the whole family right now. It's for the children I'm cooking for, me and my wife, my baby, she's too young to eat. It's like food right now. So it's cooking for us. 6 of us. Alright, what's going over there? Like one more of these potatoes. Alright. Say hi. Say hi. That's my baby. Alright, look. Right. A little bit more. Cut these 2 peppers up. When they're waiting, I was saying in the last video concerning stuff that you can put right and put out and regrow right now. You can even regrow those seeds. All you have to do is take them out, put them on a paper towel, dry them off real good, and you can replant those. So I'm probably gonna hold on to that. Like you can get your seeds together. So go ahead, replant those. You get those in a couple of months, 2-3 months at the most, on whatever you put in the ground. What the saying goes, reap what you sow. It's alright. Those going. They look like this. Potatoes right there. And go ahead and throw those. Red peppers, they're not hot though. It's sweet peppers. That one. The other one too. I'll say you can hold on to all of those seeds. Or you can replant those. That's what you want to do. I don't like to waste time. I'll get every part of it except for the part with the seeds. That little top part right there. Seeds from my pumpkin that I harvested. I got those sitting by the fire, letting them dry out. So I can use those. So I don't even have to go and buy no pumpkin seeds. Like whatever I planted, just give the seed back to me. I'm gonna keep those, and also next time they'll be cleaner. You don't have to worry about if they did something to those Um, you don't have to worry about if they did something with those seeds or if they have some type of weird stuff they doing with it. Because the more you regrow them, the the more of those things I believe get pushed out of them. Because like even when you read in the Bible, you know, it'll say if somebody is unclean, I don't know if I'm quoting that correctly, but it's like to the third or fourth generation for certain people that were mixed. That after certain like if a person was mixed, they have to and they get back with the people that were from their bloodline, and they kept doing that, it will be that mixture would be weeded out after so many generations. And I believe it's the same way with the seeds. We can buy seeds from the store, but then we continue to take those seeds out of what we plant and out of what we plant from that, and so on and so forth, that it'll become more pure as the more you harvest from that line. So I'll see what it's looking like when it come off. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut an onion up real fast. I already greased this here. This is gonna be this that I had harvested. May even throw it in a smoothie. Onions in there. Boy, it's grown. Alright. Got a little lemon juice over there. Okay. I got one more left after this, but this is the thing. This is how people come up with recipes. Just try things, right? See how it comes out. This is how our grandparents did it back in the day. They didn't measure things. They a little sprinkle here, a little pinch there, and that's what it was. But what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna go ahead and on top of this, I'm going to put a little bit of vanilla. That's what I'm going to do, just to give it a little bit of extra flavor. So I'm going to grab half some. Oh, that'd be cool too. Let's try this. So we're going to try this. Brushes here. See what we got. One more little brushes. One of these little bowls here. We gonna do. I'll get this brush dipped in there. A little bit of vanilla on there. A little bit of vanilla. Let's try, see what it's like, and I'm gonna let y'all know my honest opinion of how I think it tastes.
I say we got the potatoes in there cooking right now, which is cool because it takes those longer to get done. I'll put a little bit of vanilla in there. And what I'm gonna do, give it a little extra. On top of that, we're gonna put a little bit of honey. Just gonna put a little swirl, like the swirl that's on there. Just a little bit of honey on top of there. I was thinking about putting a little sprinkle of cinnamon. You know, I like to say, if you get inspired to do something, go ahead and do it. So I'm gonna just put a little bit. That's a little too much for that one. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just take it in my hand like this. You just want a little bit. That's how it go when you're trying to try new stuff though. Sprinkle. Sprinkle. A bit more sprinkle over there. Okay, we gonna see what it do. It's smelling good. Alright. So that's a little too small. Another pan, another baking pan. I'll go ahead, spray them up one time. I'm gonna take these, put them in here. This one may be a little different. Let's see if I can go ahead and brush some of that cinnamon off because it's a little much on there. A bit of it off. So it's sliding because of the oil on there, but I'll let y'all see when everything. So when it gets done, I'm gonna let y'all see it. I'm about to do this bacon and potatoes, and I'll let y'all see when everything gets done. All right, got a couple more laid out. We're doing 8 of these right here. Blueberries put on both of them. Same thing. Just tuck it a little bit if you have to make sure it's gonna fit right. Just go ahead and roll it. Ahead, tuck it a little bit, make sure it fit right. Go ahead and roll it. Alright, we got two more left, and then you can even do it with biscuits too, which is what I'm gonna do too, because it just give it a little bit better flavor. You know, help the kids to want to eat it with children. I don't like saying kids because kids are what goats and animals have. We have children. I try to keep myself into the correct speech. You know, I don't know how we get tied up in calling our children kids or, you know, drinking cow's milk for that matter, thinking that it's good for us. You know, my brother Buckeye, Raising Vibrations, he was speaking on that today. Go ahead and roll them up. And you could do this with anything, raspberries, you know, cherry, you know, you don't want to put the seed from the cherry in there, but you know, you can shave the cherries around the side and get that out. See, that's what you got right there. So I decided to put the bacon in there as well. That's turkey bacon. So I don't eat pork. But yeah, so we got that in there. Throw the eggs in there. All right, we got the water going over there. The oatmeal is there. So I'm gonna get that going. I forget you said you wanted some tea, so
Peppermint tea. Peppermint.
get that going.
Can you get peppermint? Best.
So a little bit, not too much.
Peppermint tea is the best tea ever invented. It is.
Everything finished. These are the croissants that I rolled with fruit inside of them, bacon, potatoes, oatmeal, egg. Yeah, that fruit make it taste good. All right, family. I'm about to go eat these banging dough. Got it here first. Wrong with Tazamach. It's swirl cornbread rolls, and then I just rolled the blueberries up in there. You see, it's pretty good. All right, till next time.